Hi, I'm Tori, and I'm going to show you how to do driveway art today. We've chosen our Mandala stencil for the example. Before we get started though, I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks. So first off is number one, always wear rain boots for safety. And number two, when using a pressure washer, if you have before, you might know about a little kickback that happens. So we advise you to start in the center of the stencil so you pressure wash within the lines. Number three is you're always going to stand on top of your stencil for security. So let's get started. With the Mandala stencil, since it's organic, we can move it to its next location wherever you'd like. So you can see the stencil, and now you can simply just move the stencil to the next place, as it doesn't need to be patterned, wherever you'd like your next piece of art to go. So go ahead and stand on top and pressure wash away. All right, that's it. This dirt looks really good.